In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Choose Text tool. I will use this font and link is in description. Now type M letter. To set letter in the center, pick Move tool, then press Ctrl A or Command A in the Mac, and click on these icons. To deselect, press Ctrl D. Open this image and move it to Main Project. Press Ctrl T or Command T and adjust size and position. Convert image to Smart Object. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Letter Layer. From here choose Inner Shadow. Follow these settings. Open this image. With Quick Selection tool, select hand like this. Convert it to Smart Object. Pick Move tool and move image to Main Project. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. And follow the process. Add a layer mask. Select Brush tool. Select Hard Round Brush. Foreground color should be black and hide this area like this. From blending options choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Right-click here and choose Create Layer. It will separate drop shadow from image. Add a layer mask and follow the process. Now we need to match the hand color with skin color. Create a hue and saturation adjustments layer. Click on Clipping Mask icon and increase the saturation. For the final step, add your text. Hope you enjoy and learn this, and see you in next tutorial.